Ready?
Got it.
Hi, my name's Will. I teach at Dover Technical College on the motor vehicle course.
Hi, my name's Ross. I do exactly the same, so it makes it more fun.
Here at Dover Technical College, we deliver motor vehicles level 1, 2 and 3. We also have a motorsport programme as well.
We deliver professional MOT testing and management of the ATA. We also do industrial talks. We have Snap-on come in, Halfords come in, they give like free stuff. You also get Halford's special trade card.
Yeah, we also run our apprentice programme at this campus in Dover. We run apprentices level 2 and 3. We also deliver English and Maths here. And we have good industry links.
Also, we do a lot of trips through the year. We go to Mercedes World and Brooklands, which is an amazing experience for anybody to do.
And those motorsport enthusiasts, we go to Santa Pod as well. So we try and get as many tickets as we can. We go up to Santa Pod on their big run days. So that's good.
Show you the workshop now, all right?
So that, isn't it? Something for the ladies.
I'm on!
Dover Technical College is a great little campus. We've got a great community feel. We've got a great team here at Motor Vehicle as well across the campus, even if you have different courses you're interested in. It's just the beginning of the year, so there's still time to enrol. So if you are interested, you need to come down, have a chat with us, and see if there's anything that we can offer.
Come and have some fun. Yeah. What are you doing? What's that?